Hi guys, Evan here at Bartlett Automotive Huntingdon. Today we've got this awesome 981 GT4. Right, so having looked into the vehicle, we found there are some fueling issues. High pressure fuel pump wasn't able to build up enough pressure, so under load it was just cutting out all the power and putting the vehicle into limp mode. Easily can be caused by the low pressure side of the fueling. We've checked over the entirety of that system, found no issues whatsoever, looked through all the components all the way up to the high pressure fuel pump, and again, no issues there, which has led us down to the high pressure fuel pump. So we're going to be replacing the high pressure fuel pump on the vehicle. Right, so with this being under track conditions, there's only so much we can really do on road tests. The customers asked us to give it a good go whilst we're out. Obviously, there's so much we can do, but we're going to just try and put it under load as much as we can whilst we're out on road tests, up into the speed limit. So now we've tested the vehicle as much as we can, time to give it back to the customer. We'll be able to get a nice long track day in, no issues. So if you've got any issues with your Porsche, come see us at Bartlett Automotive.